What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Sick Eric Tech, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. We got the Z Flip 5 in the house, just delivered today, and one of the exclusive colors. This is the gray color, which is going to be this top one up here, and it also comes in all of these other exclusive colors, and I decided to go different. And I know everybody's been seeing the mint color everywhere on YouTube, so it's nice to see another color on here to show you guys the differences in all the colors. So here's the packaging. So pretty minimal the packaging is going to be, per usual, as Samsung likes to do it. They do not give us anything in the box. So let's go ahead and crack it open and check out the device. Got some nice pull tabs out here, so that is quite nice. And then we got the actual device right over here, and here's the box. There's going to be some other stuff up here, so if you want to take a look at that, you're going to get your SIM tray ejection tool along with your USB Type-C cable right in here, and your quick start guide. So nothing special in that. Again, no charger is included in the box of the Z Flip 5 or any other device. So let's go ahead and take it out. Moment of truth. Now this phone does feel a little bit heavier than usual. Definitely feels a little bit heavier than my Galaxy S23 Ultra. And here we go for some sound. And oh yes, here we go. Put that aside, and let's go ahead and take the sticker off and enjoy this nice, I guess it's like a tan or a gray color. You guys could see that right there. Very, very nice. It feels like a premium piece of hardware, like seriously. And the one thing I do love about these special edition colors is that the frame is a matte finish. Look at this, sort of like a matte gray going along the frame instead of that glossy, shiny, fingerprinty. Here's a closer look at the device. You're going to get your fingerprint sensor, which is also your power button, and then you get your volume rockers right there, some antenna lines. You get your hinge, a little closer look at that hinge right there. At the bottom, you're going to get two microphones, USB Type-C charging, and your speaker grill right there. Left-hand side is going to be your SIM tray and your 5G antenna. Up top, you get your speaker grill, which you can see right there. You do get a pre-installed screen protector. Do not take that off. And up top, you get your microphone. On the back, you're going to get your dual 12 megapixel cameras, one main sensor, one ultra wide, and then your front facing camera up front. And then now let's go ahead and get that first close on there. Oh, so satisfying. It's so smooth, no noises, no creases, no creaking. Very, very nice. Look at this huge display on the front, and this thing just looks absolutely phenomenal. As far as gap wise, there is a tiny gap, but compared from last year, it's pretty much gapless, guys. You can see right there, you can see through it very, very little, but still it does technically fold flat, and it opens up quite nicely. Can go, before it starts closing, right about there, and then you could keep on going until it snaps. Doesn't really snap shut. There we go. Doesn't really snap shut too much, but it does snap open a little bit right about there. So yeah, very, very nice. We're going to turn it on and then get everything rolling, and then I will come back and do a full first impressions video on here. I just wanted to show off the unboxing and the actual device itself. There's that front display right in there. There are the cameras, and very nice and shiny. But the reason I like these exclusive colors is because the back is going to be made out of a matte finish, and it does feel nice and smooth. And this frame is going to be out of a matte finish too, which means it will not pick up fingerprints like all the other shiny ones will. Taking a look at the front display and those bezels going around, you can see part of the hinge right in there. And when you're closing it, you can sort of get an idea of how that looks and how that is folding. Definitely crazy. My first folding phone here on the channel. And there we go, it is closed, and it does look and feel quite nice. So stay tuned, guys, for my first impressions. I will do a separate video on that of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and get my thoughts. I'm going to use this bad boy, slap my SIM card in there and use it, and then I will come back with a first impression. So make sure you guys are subscribed and click that bell icon, that way you know when that video will drop. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down, and I will see you next time. Peace.